Hi everyone, my name is Costa, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a fixed section like this in Framer. Step number 1, let's create a new frame. Press Ctrl X, paste it inside a breakpoint, and now I will move it below the use case section, which is right here. Let's change its size to relative 100% and the height to viewport 100 VH. And we call this fixed section. And now press Ctrl D to duplicate it. This one, let's call it transparent section. Remove its fill, and now select the fixed section. Go to position and change to fixed. Then pin it in the center like this. And now align it to the bottom. So it's gonna move it on top in the hero section right here. So I will change the width to relative 100%. We already did this, but when it changed from relative to fixed, it's gonna jump back to the previous settings. So now we have to do it again. Change the height to viewport 100 VH as well. And then let's make sure that our z-index is 0. So it needs to be below our other sections so that we can see it. All right, and I will click on fill, then on image, and then plugins, Lumi, and let's select this image right here. And obviously, if you want to, you can also put some content inside. And let me show you. Actually, I'm gonna select this text right here, copy it, and then I will put it inside the section. I will select the section. Right now you can't see anything, so let's increase the z-index and let's click on layout. I will change the width for the content to fill. So okay, this looks fine. Now I will select the fixed section again and go to z-index and put it to 0. Let's preview this, and voila guys, that's how you create a fixed section in Framer. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.